In this video, I will show you how to use Depop Protection for sellers. Start by opening the Depop app. Tap My Depop in the lower right corner of the screen, then select Get Help. In the Help Center, type Seller Protection. Here, you'll find a detailed guide explaining what's eligible for Depop Protection, the coverage limits, what's excluded, and how to make sure your sales stay protected. Next, go back to Settings and tap Preferences. Make sure your PayPal account is connected, because approved payment methods are required to qualify for protection. Depop Protection covers you when you sell through the app or Depop.com. Use approved payment methods and ship orders with tracked postage to the buyer's registered address. If a buyer opens a dispute, Depop reviews evidence such as tracking numbers, photos, and messages to determine the outcome. Keep in mind, protection is weaker or may not apply if you accept off-platform payments or ship without proof. If you're unsure whether a sale is covered, it's always best to consult the Depop Seller Protection article for full details. And that's how to use Depop Protection for sellers.